Understanding and resolving invalid MMI codes on Consumer Cellular. Encountering an invalid MMI code error on your Consumer Cellular device, especially when checking your balance or network settings, is a common issue, but typically not a carrier problem. MMI codes are dialing sequences used to access network services. The error usually stems from your device's software, incorrect APN settings, or SIM card issues. If you are trying to check your balance or use a prefix code, ensure that you are dialing it correctly. For example, dial *228 and press 1 to check your balance. To fix the invalid MMI code error, start by resetting your network settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. An alternative solution is to try a different dialer app from the Google Play Store. This can bypass the built-in restrictions that cause the invalid MMI code error. If these steps don't work, your SIM card may be the issue. Consider contacting support for SIM reactivation or a replacement. Consider contacting Consumer Cellular's helpline at 1-888-345-5509 for assistance. They may recommend SIM reactivation or a replacement. Lastly, consider using the Consumer Cellular app for balance checks and diagnostics, as it bypasses MMI codes and reduces errors.